Careful, careful.
She's standing right here beside me.
Oh my God. Stay back there.
She's right beside me. She's right here.
I'm going to show you in a minute how close you have to get to that for it to actually go off.
Feel your energy, baby.
I saw earlier, but yeah, show the camera.
So,
Can you not
I'm
remember
gonna
why you did this?
I'm going to wait until Miss Helen stops. Now, for those that don't know, Miss Helen Ward was pulled out of here, out of her car under this bridge behind me here, just a couple of weeks ago. And she was missing for 2 or 3 years, something like that. I'm gonna show you how close you have to get to this to actually set it off. And see, she was standing right there, and I was standing right here. Good. What's
It's okay. It's okay.
It's some nice activity.
I want to get the camera away from the spirit box.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Because
Are you sure? Dude, it was earlier. It was lighting up.
Let me show you, Sam.
Here.
So
There it goes.
have you used your REM pod yet at all?
This is my REM pod. Yeah.
Oh, you got. Okay,
I got it right here. It's sitting right next
Well,
to each
you don't
other.
need to set two next to each other. You might want to set one like over
Set
here.
one over here.
I wouldn't set it by the water. We might accidentally kick it.
Okay, there's more than one. There's more than one.
Yeah, because that one will be going off too. So someone's definitely touching that one. What sensitivity do you
But
have?
I feel
Your
more than one.
I don't have none sensitivity at all. Alright. You ready? What do you want to ask?
We were just asking her, does she know what happened? And she said can't remember.
Do you know what happened?
Make sure you greet her nicely. Miss Helen Ford is her name. Miss Helen, are you here?
Take it.
Well, say hello. I did.
Hello?
It said night.
Are you recording? Yep.
If you just stand, Jacob, right where you're standing, I was standing there, and if you just stay still.
Oh.
Yeah, but I felt something touch my back.
What?
It said calm down.
Calm down.
Miss Helen said calm down.
Wait.
Oh.
Let
Let me show you something real quick. I already showed the camera sound, but this is how close you have to get to these to set them off. And we're all back here, so something's touching them for sure.
Look. Dude. Hey. Philip. All right. Here, I'll set this right here. That's crazy. I've never seen anybody do that.
Say good. Mine said good.
Are you good? Are you a good spirit?
It said stupid.
Wow. Okay. Like, are you lonely out here? No. Do you like talking to us? Near the REM pods.
Would you like us to walk back to your memorial?
Oh, it's on it. Jesus.
Hello.
Great content, chat. I think you're doing intro. We're just over here just investigating.
I said the ground is fine.
Do intro later. Yeah, we'll do intro later. Look at that beautiful, yes.
Dang, what rate is your sleep at?
It's supposed to be slow?
What was the last name?
Is there anything you'd like to say to us?
Listen, hey guys. Okay, it's just.
Back up, just like everybody take a step back.
I'll give you some room here, but we like to know.
Look, he's making it solid.
Oh wow! Hold on. Look at that, chat. That's crazy, chat. Dude.
Is it more than one?
Is there more than one spirit here?
Can you touch it twice for yes or once for no?
Oh, that's a direct response.
That was more than one.
Yeah, I
Like
mean,
7 times.
that was to individual.
Oh,
One spirit at a time, please. Okay. Oh, we got it. Okay, we got it. We understand. Jesus. Guys, we said one person at a time. We said one person at a time, not multiple of y'all. Yes or no questions. Touch it for once for yes, two for no. Are you Helen? Are you Helen? Are you Helen? Is that a yes? Whoa! It says no. It says 3 times. Okay. Oh my God, guys! We found a super paranormal thing! Oh my God! No. Are you following the girls on the pier?
Well, if she was, she wouldn't answer us.
Did you hear that?
What did it say? I heard it say something.
Can you repeat that? That sounded like a man. Sounded like a demon. So you are following the girls on the pier?
Said I am on mine.
You gonna do one of them girls? She's gonna turn on. She shoots at the camera. Are you following the girls to the pier? No. Well then who is? Here, bro. I gotta turn off my phone. Is it Andy? That's the master Andy. Are you here with us? Here. Why are you not talking to me on this one? Never mind. Ghost, what are you doing? This ain't phasmophobia, this is IRL. He said nothing. So you tell me. I had to make interview you right.
I told him what we heard.
You could have brought the camera with you. Could have brought the camera with you. Did y'all hear anything?
They said that might have been what was following us earlier, because I thought he was like following us.
What? Oh,
I asked y'all following the girls, and it sounded like a male voice came through, but I couldn't make it out. It was like aggressive too.
We came to the Saraland boat once. They pulled 2 people out of there.
I don't even know where
They're
that's at.
sitting down
You're
here.
following me. I know where it's at.
How do you not know where that's
It's
at?
in Saraland. Behind Big Lots.
That's where I thought we were going.
And you're less likely.
What?
All out there, it's something fucking heavy and dark. It felt weird as fuck, because it feels heavy now, but once you keep going, it gets heavier and heavier.
Whoa, what was that?
That was a little kid. You heard that? That was a little kid. You want to go down there? You're pulling a trim. It's in the middle of the floor.
Huh?
You're pulling a trim.
I'm pulling a turn.
Trinity sat in the middle of Paul's room when we went in there the other night. Or a couple weeks
I feel like
ago.
it might be.
Here, hold this. See it? No, it's around you. Turn it around. Yeah, it's it. Yeah, hold it. Hold it. Like there's a remote.
You got it upside down.
Like what?
Hold it like a remote. Hold it like a remote. Yeah, turn it around.
Okay.
Yep, that's what you got.
Oh.
Thank you. Four. That's not a scream. They don't scream on radio station. I can't make out what it's saying. Do you want us to go down the pier?
I do! No, that was so clear.
That's crazy.
That was so fucking clear.
That's crazy. Do you want us to go down
Come
the pier?
on, let's go. Did you get on camera?
Yeah!
So now we're headed down the pier.
Oh, I don't wanna-
And, I mean, yeah, we're getting pretty scared. We're finding some stuff here. We're gonna go. Cameraman Jacob on the road. My birthday tomorrow. We're gonna be Gucci. Who's that? So the ghost told us it wants us to go down the pier. That's what we're doing. That sounded like a car trying to start.
Right here?
That same exact spot where the
Gender reveal, I'm pretty sure.
Respond! Did you hear that?
Chat is creepy. You see a live stream this on Twitch. I forgot my tripod in the car. Wait a minute. Is that what you said? Whoa. That's a step.
Got that on camera.
It's a fucking maze.
Yeah, we kept going straight.
What's your name? What was that? That's like a woman.
Here, hold up for a minute.
I'll be recording the whole way through.
We're gonna have to use this in the house or something.
I don't like being over here. Fuck that.
Wow.
I didn't leave anywhere.
You went down there.
Hell no! She possessed.
That's not why people die,
What are
bro.
you doing?
She does this shit every investigation. I see something there.
Well, how do you feel? We're about to die. We ain't dying.
I thought she turned around again.
I ain't fucking
We would have
dying.
left her, bro. We would have left her. No way. Dude, look at that. She cut formed around the tree.
Ah.
Catch that fire him.
Fire me.
Tired and fired at the same day. Whoa, watch your step.
I saw it on the way here. Yeah, wait for them.
Eyes fucking with me. That was a black shadow. Imagine going to a haunted house. Which way do we go? Reach out? Have you been touched at all, Trim? Wait till we go to that Doris house, chat. We'll be cooked then. Respond? What are they doing? What are y'all doing?
The whole time we walked out here, we kind of went that way and we keep in.
Y'all wanna go this way?
Bro, if poles made us turn back, what the fuck you think is this gonna make us turn back?
I'm white. I ain't this white. Oh, we got a screen?
I'm cameraman, I should have safety.
Hey.
Oh. Something's telling me to stay right here. Right here. So, hey, something's wrong
Yeah,
with right here.
It's spirits right here.
Right here.
Hello? Hey. When they're back? Are you talking about us going back? Why can't I be scared when you're doing this, man? Oh, okay. We're trying to investigate. We do this every weekend, basically. We do this for fun. Chachi. She ain't fucking with it. She ain't fucking with it. At all? Alright. Come on. How's a blood curdling scream? Hold up. How is it in a house? Alright, let's go back. Where's Paul? No funny.
I got that on camera.
So we were sitting over there at that table, and it was touching the REM pods. The EMF meters are going off like crazy, and I felt kid energy, and I said, "Is there a kid here with us?" And it said that it was a teen. I tried to ask boy or girl, it didn't answer that, so I said, "How old are you?" And it said 15. So yeah, that's wild.
Said there were 5 of them.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we had guys over there. We heard a man screaming.
There's
It was a man.
I don't know. There
Sounded
people do live right there. Some people live at this boat launch.
Huh?
Okay.
There's like 4 houses right there.
So why is it screaming there?
Anybody screams.
I don't know, but there's 4 houses right there.
It sounded like a.
I actually
it sounded
pulled
like
their
a.
driveway one day.
It sounded like an entity or something like that. So it did not
It
sound
could
like a
have
man.
been. I'm just letting you
No,
know.
it did
And we
not sound
like
like a
heard
man.
and seen and felt something going across the truck.
Yeah, right when y'all were walking back, something just ran behind us.
Oh, heck no.
Were you the one? Who was screaming at us?
Someone.
So that wasn't you screaming? Who went over here by the truck with Philip and Jay? Was it the kids? Boy. So you're a 15-year-old little boy? Oh yeah? I heard no.
I heard no. It might be different than a 15-year-old.
Are you a man? Little people?
What's up, chat? Today we're going to be ghost hunting. We're going to the second pier boat launch today. And this boat launch we're going to today, oh, there's blue lights ahead. But the second boat launch we're going to today, there's been 2 confirmed. Woo, they got them. But anyways, there's been 2 confirmed people that have been pulled out of that body of water. And it's pretty scary. The activity we got earlier, like there was a woman who drove off of the bridge earlier into the other boat launch we were just at. We got a decent amount of activity there. And now we're on to the road to this other one, and it's going to be great. We got Umber, Trinity, Suham, Juhar, and Huli, and Juhaid.
Yep. Or ghost hunting. So we just investigated the Chickasaw boat launch.
And it's about to be my birthday, turning 20, getting out of a teenager year.
Yeah, today is February 28th, and throughout 30 minutes,
It'll be March 1st.
So yeah, I'm about to go investigate the San Juan boat launch to see what's going on here. Alright, chat, let's see if we pick the camera up again. Amber, right here, scared shitless.
I don't like this. I got a bad feeling. I don't like it at all. I'm not getting out of the car. I don't like it.
That's bright. Guys, it's very creepy here. Like, I don't know if y'all see this. Very creepy. Like there's a dresser. There's a dresser over there. Last time Trin was here, she closed it, and now it's open. How did it get open? Y'all might say homeless guy or whatever, but the last time they was here, they heard skinwalkers in these woods, or like screams. But I'm here to listen for it. I don't hear it, but we'll see. No.
Okay, so I set the REM pod over by her memorial. It was covered up, and I uncovered it. And I put the EMF meter beside me, and she said, "Help me on the spirit box." And then she said, "I'm stuck here looking up at the stars."
Insane.
This is on our field, bro.
Turn on night vision. Where's that dresser at? Is this it right here?
It's right there. It's the
This it?
Yeah, this is okay.
Did y'all hear that? Sound like walking.
That's what last time you was with.
So we heard walking.
As soon as I touched this last time, you could hear shit.
Hey Jack, in the truck.
Jacob wants to get out, but Amber won't, so Jacob can't.
She's scared.
Make sure there ain't no drug.
I'm not like
Yeah, she thinks that's bad. She doesn't want to get out.
That's a spider. Got one battery left. I have an extra battery in the truck.
The biggest.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
Yeah.
So this is Shadow?
Shadow Dwayne Tidwell.
Why? Oh, it's probably. That's weird. Why did it go from orange to red? Okay. Guys, the grave of Shadow. His body was found in the boat launch. We're trying to do research right now.
And I want to live.
You said you want to live?
Yeah.
So we just left him over there. But I'm cameraman for the first time, chat. Phillips, the main guy now, he's taking my spot. He's now Sloper. I'm the cameraman now. I've officially been hired and fired in the same day. Jacob's too scared to get out the truck. I cannot blame him. Oh wow.
What did you say?
Fall down?
It said call. Call now. I think it might have just picked up something. It Is it freezing?
It's not phasmophobia, bro. Let me back up so I can get audio, chat.
So, are you recording right
Yep.
now? Okay, guys, so 2 bodies, at least 2 confirmed, were pulled out of here. Daniela Vian, I don't know if I'm saying that right, and Shadow Dwayne Tidwell. They were, Daniela Vian, her whole car with her in it was pulled out. And Shadow, his body was pulled out. They found him, they said what happened was he was wearing some really heavy pants and he fell in and he wasn't good at swimming. And they pulled him to the bottom. I guess his pants were really heavy. I don't know. That's what it says in the article. But we're here talking to them. We're not getting any hits right here, so we're gonna walk back over by their memorials and see. Time to head out for the night.
You're already time to just wrap up investigation, chat. To be
We
honest.
can always come back another day.
Alright guys, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you gooning real hard tonight. Comment what you thought. We went to the Saraland and Chickasaw boat launch to see what was here. We caught a couple of spirit box sessions, a couple of eerie energies at some places. But no, so far, we'll see what's on to the next thing. The next video we make will be the Richard Darr's house. Hope to see you there. I'm Sloper. This is Trent, Jade, Philip, Jacob, my brother, and his girlfriend Amber. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Peace out. Don't want to say anything? What's your thought?
Bye. Love y'all.
Bye, guys.
Make sure you like, comment,